Hi everyone. Let us see how you can create your own editable icons on PowerPoint. If you have Microsoft 365 with you, then you can simply go to Insert and there is a new option called Icons. And this is an excellent list of icons that are available. Let us pick one of them. So I like this one that looks like a shutter. We'll increase the size. And now you can right click, group and then ungroup. Depending on the icon, you might have to ungroup a few times. And once you do that, you can see that we have independent control over each one of these shapes that we have. And if you also know how to go to shape format and edit shape, you can edit points, which will allow you even finer control over how these icons are behaving. For example, maybe for one of these, I just want to reduce this a little bit. Like this. The other way to get icons is to go to a website like iconfinder.com and let us search for something related to finance. We will search for a free icon and let's pick one of these. So maybe this one, which is the calculator. Do not download this as a PNG or a JPEG. Download it as a scalable vector graphic. The download is completely free and no attribution is required. So you don't have to put a link back to the website. You can download it completely free of cost and use it even for commercial purposes. Let us go back to PowerPoint and I will insert pictures from my device, downloads and select the scalable vector graphic. Now because this is a scalable vector graphic, no matter how large you make it, you notice that it never becomes blurred. Let us now ungroup. And now you can see that every single part of this icon has become editable. So for example, if I want to move these two things a little above, and maybe I want to put my organization logo here. You can easily do that. Now let's say you want to change this color from this retro looking green to a different color. You can go to shape fill and select a different color. Anything you don't like or you would like to move it around. Let's say we don't want this modulus and we would like to select these icons and put it here. Let me group it, make it a little smaller and we can put it like this. As you can see, it's that easy and you have almost an infinite number of SVG vectors available on the internet, and you can see how easy it is to ungroup it in PowerPoint and then create the icon that you want.